351. So in this lecture I am going to talk complex multiplicity pattern in asymmetric compounds. So firstly you must know what is the symmetric and what is the asymmetric compounds. Symmetric compounds contain the elements of symmetry. Elements of symmetry means either contain plane or axis of symmetry. So in previous lectures we discussed about the chemical equivalency. So chemical equivalency means chemical equivalent protons. So proton present in identical environment is called chemical equivalent protons. So in that cases, chemical equivalent proton cases, the molecule have the plane or either axis of symmetry. So because of that, protons becomes chemical equivalent. So in that cases, we are observed that we get the very simple spectra. So in case of asymmetric compound that not contain plane or axis of symmetry, in that cases we get the complex multiplicity pattern in the 1H NMR spectra. So in this lecture we are going to discuss asymmetrical alkene in that complex multiplicity patterns. So firstly we are going to discuss complex multiplicity patterns in asymmetric alkene. So firstly consider the example of, suppose this is the example of well-known example, cis-stilbene. This also well-known example, trans-stilbene. So in these two compounds, either plane or either axis of symmetry is present. So in cis-stilbene compound, we are observe the plane of symmetry which are passed through the carbon-carbon double bond. And in trans-stilbene, there is a C2 axis of symmetry. Because of that, the protons, we are interested in vinyl protons here. So how the vinyl protons are split here, we are going to consider this thing here. So these vinyl protons, this become chemical equivalent. Why? Because of plane of symmetry. Here is also because of center of symmetry, these two vinyl protons are chemical equivalent. So in these compounds, they not show the cis coupling in first compound, and here they are not show the trans coupling. So cis trans coupling is not possible here. So in this compound we are get the simple signal, that is the two hydrogen simply give the singlet. Means here our peak is unsplit here. So we get the single resonance peak in this compound, cis and trans-stilbene. But when you consider the asymmetric compound, so suppose cinnamic acid, trans-cinnamic acid, so in this trans-cinnamic acid, so in this compound, these two vinyl protons, so they are chemically non-equivalent. They are present in different chemical environment. So they are split, and so Ha proton split into the doublet, while Hb proton split by the Ha proton into doublet. So they show the which coupling here? Trans coupling. So trans coupling between the vinyl proton is possible here, and you know very well these vinyl protons actually absorb at the chemical shift value in the range 4.5 to 6.5 ppm or delta. So because of this value is downfill here as compared to the alkyne proton, because of, you know very well, in last year in CHO 351, CHO 250 course, that these two vinyl protons are vinylic and also diamagnetic anisotropy generated by these pi electrons. So these two protons come in dishielded region, means vinyl protons, and because of that we are observed the 4.5 to 6.5 ppm value. This basic thing is known to us. So this trans-cinnamic acid, we get the two signal doublet, and they are show the coupling, that is the trans coupling, and the trans coupling have the value that is in the range 11 to 18 hertz. So this is a trans, so this is a 3J trans coupling is possible here. So 3 bond coupling and trans coupling in this, we are observed the 11 to 18 hertz value. So this is the trans-cinnamic acid. If you are going to discuss next example, vinyl acetate. In vinyl acetate, so this vinyl acetate compound, the proton HA, HB and HC all are in different chemical environment. So this proton, HA proton, give the signal, means this couple with this. So this coupling is called as a firstly HA proton couple with HC, so HA proton couple with HB by the trans coupling, cis coupling, and cis coupling have the value that is the 6 to 15 hertz. So JAB. So cis coupling, so 6 to 15 hertz we are observed here. Also next is each doublet further splitted into doublets. So this egg further coupled with proton C. So JAC means here we call which coupling here? Geminal coupling. In geminal coupling in alkene is in the range, that is the geminal coupling in alkene, we are observe the value that is the 0 to 5 hertz. In this range we are observe this value. So we get the signal doublet of doublet. This splitting pattern is the doublet of doublet. So we overall we get the how many lines here? 4 lines for each proton. Same we can write for the HB proton. So firstly HB proton is split by the proton HA, means cis coupling, again JAB. Then this proton is split by the proton C, that is the JBC, like this. So firstly B proton split by the A, means here cis coupling is occur here. So cis coupling value is 6 to 15 hertz you are observed. Then again here the proton B and proton C is coupled, means this here trans coupling is occur here further. So BC, so value is 11 to 18 hertz. So trans and cis coupling. So observe for the proton B. So again we are get the how many lines here? 4 lines. Again proton C split by the proton B. So JBC again split by the proton A, means AC. Here proton C if you consider proton C, this proton C firstly split by the proton B, then split by the proton A like this. So we get the doublet of doublet. So overall in this compound means when in our symmetrical alkene there are 3 vinyl protons, that time we are observing this kind of patterns. Means geminal coupling, cis and trans coupling is possible. And each proton gives the signal doublet of doublet, doublet of doublet and doublet of doublet. Overall we get the 12 lines. So this spectra of this compound of vinyl acetate is nothing but AMX pattern. So in spin system we had seen this thing, that is the AMX pattern. So this proton have the different chemical shift value. These 3 protons, so these are coming AMX pattern. So this is the vinyl acetate. Next example, if you consider here protonic acid. So this is the example of protonic acid. So in this example, these 2 vinyl protons are chemically non-equivalent, not same. Suppose this is HA and this is HB. So these vinyl protons actually somewhat de-shielded as compared to this proton HB because of this is alpha beta unsaturated system. So beta position is the electron deficient as compared to the alpha. So this is the downfield, this is somewhat upfield here. So this HA proton. So this HA proton firstly split by the HB into doublet, again split by this methyl group into quadrate. So this coupling on the same side is called as which coupling? Allelic coupling. So allelic coupling on the same side. So for this we are observe the value, that is the 4 to 10 hertz. So this value is the 4 to 10 hertz and this is the allelic coupling. So this trans coupling 11 to 18 hertz. So this HA proton split by the HB into doublet and again by methyl proton quadrate, doublet of quadrate by the HA proton. Then HB proton again split by the HA by the trans coupling doublet and again split by this methyl proton. Again this is the allelic coupling, but this is a smaller coupling because this proton present on opposite side. So we are observed here smaller value. So value is here between the 0 to 3 hertz we are observed here, 0 to 3 hertz. In this range we are observed this value. So doublet of quadrate and again methyl protons that gives the signal doublet and doublet. Means methyl proton firstly coupled with HA, so doublet, and again coupled with this proton HB, again allelic coupling 0 to 3 hertz, means doublet of doublet. So we are get the overall the doublet of quadrate and doublet of doublet. So in this type of protonic acid example, so we are observe the AMX3 pattern. Which pattern? AMX3. So AMX3 means these 3 protons have the different chemical shift value. So X3 means here this methyl group. So this kind of pattern we are observed in protonic acid. Next example, that is the 4 allyl oxy anisole compound. So this is the structure of this 4 allyl oxy anisole compound. So in this compound there are 3 vinyl protons HA, HB, Hc and Hd like this. So our main interest here about these vinyl protons, how they are split here, how they show the complex multiplicity pattern here. So these three vinyl protons, firstly, if you consider the proton Ha, this proton Ha, firstly they are show the cis coupling. So if you determine the coupling constant of this between the H and Hc proton, that time you are observed the value 10.3 Hertz. For trans, you are observed the 17.3 Hertz. You are observed this value. So this Ha proton firstly split by the proton photons Hc. So JAC you are observed. So we get the doublet signal. Again this proton is split by the proton Hb. So this value is small here, 5.3 Hertz here. So here geminal coupling is possible here. So we get again doublet right this here. So which coupling here? It is JAB. So JAB, it is the 5.3 Hertz we are observed here. Again here 10.3 Hertz we are observed. Then this Ha proton further splitted by the, that is the D protons into triplet, means here like this. So like this. So here Ha proton firstly split by the proton Hc, then split by the Hb, and then by proton D, means proton. So JAD we are observed here. This value is small here, nearly 1.47. This is allelic coupling. So this type of coupling we are observed in this compound. So when you observe this Ha proton, so this proton gives the signal doublet of doublet, means doublet of doublet and triplet. This we are observed. So when you observe the doublet of triplet, in this case you are overall observe the doublet, then doublet is further split into doublet. Again each line of doublet is splitted into triplet. So overall 3, 3, 3, 3. So overall 12 lines you are observed. 12 lines. But here in this case the JAB, that is 5.3, and JAD, that is 1.47 Hertz. This coupling constant is so small here, means JAD particularly is so small here, and because of that here lines overlap here, and when here lines are overlap, because of that you are observe only 8 lines here. How many lines here? 8 lines. So 8 line is observed, means here 4 lines are here merge, or they are merge here, and because of that we are get 8 lines, and so because of that we are observed here doublet of quadret here. Doublet of quadret means here this is the doublet, and this doublet, each doublet further split into quadret, means each doublet split into 4 lines. These 4 lines means overall doublet. This further split into the 4 lines like this. So like this, 4 lines. So this type of doublet of quadret we are observed because of this coupling is so small here, and here these lines are merged, and 4 lines merge overall here, and we are observed the doublet of quadret signal. So same thing we are same thing possible for the Hb proton also here. Proton Hb, the proton Hb firstly split by the trans coupling, that is the JBC. So JBC is a 17.13 Hertz. This is the large coupling here. You know very well, always trans coupling is larger here. Then this proton B is again split by the proton proton A means you are observed the JAB. So this value is of 5.3 Hertz. So again this B proton is split by the proton D means here allelic coupling again here. Allelic coupling of very small value 1.47 Hertz you are observed here again. So each line of doublet further split into the 3 lines. So like this. So here B, D. So 1.47 Hertz. So here proton B is split into the doublet, and then triplet. So doublet, then doublet further split into doublet and then split into triplet. So means each doublet split into triplet means overall we are observe here how many lines here? 12 lines. 12 line in the for HB proton, but same like above case for HA proton, the 4 lines are overlap here. 4 lines are overlap, and when they are overlap, so we are observe here only 8 lines in the spectra. Means here we are observe the like this. Doublet is split into the quartet. So this signal again we are observe doublet of quartet signal for the proton HB. So next, that is the proton HC. So firstly split by the proton B means JBC means here trans coupling have the 17.3 Hertz. Again this doublet is split by the proton, that is the AC, proton A split with the help of cis coupling. Cis coupling have the value that is the 10.3 Hertz. Again proton C split the proton D with the help of which coupling? Allelic coupling. On the same side, this have the larger value, that is the 5.47 Hertz. So you are observing somewhat large value here. So like this. So again doublet is split into triplet. So like this. So here again HC proton give a signal doublet, and then triplet like this. So here again this 3, 3, 3, 3. So are all 12 lines. So in this for HC proton we are observe 12 lines. But if you observe the spectra, that time we are observe the 10 lines here. How much lines? 10 lines. Means here 2 lines are overlap here. So overlap, because of that they are look like a 10 lines. So our signal is look like a doublet of quintet signal. So we are get the doublet of quintet. So instead of doublet of triplet. So because of here same way coupling constant. So small coupling constant, and because of that here some lines are merged here. So this type of complicated pattern we are observed for the proton HC also. Then also proton D. So proton D firstly split by the proton Hc. So proton AC. So with the help of which coupling? Allylic coupling. So value 5.47. So doublet. Again this is split by the proton B 1.47. Means with this D is split by the proton B with the help of allylic coupling. Same way this couple with also this proton HA with the same coupling constant. That is the 1.47 Hertz also. In allylic coupling on different side, that time cis or trans, that same value. So D coupled with B 1.47 Hertz, D coupled with A 1.47 Hertz. So firstly this proton is split by the Hc with allylic coupling 5.47, then B proton doublet means here J B D 1.47 Hertz. Again this is split by the proton A by proton A. So JAD. So JAD have the value same, that is 1.47 Hertz. So here doublet of doublet of doublet. We get the doublet, doublet and doublet. So doublet, doublet and doublet. So doublet here, this is actually in this case we are get the 2, 2, 2, 2. Overall, how many lines here? 8 lines here. Actually, this in this case, it is the JBD is equivalent to the JAD. So when this is equivalent, that time we are observe the signal like doublet of triplet. Doublet of triplet means we are observe the how many lines here? Doublet of triplet means overall for each doublet we are observe 3 lines. Doublet. Further split into the triplet means like this. How many lines? 6 lines. So here 8 lines means here again 2 lines are overlap, and because of 2 lines overlap, why they are overlap? Because of this coupling constant BD and AD, JBD and JAD, they are actually same here. So because of that 2 lines gets overlap, and we observe only 6 lines in the spectra of this compound for Hd protons. So this type of complex multiplicity pattern is possible for asymmetrical alkene. So this compound means asymmetrical alkene, this 4 allyl oxy anisole compound, in that we are observed the 3 protons, allylic coupling is also possible, and because of that our pattern will become so complicated here. So we are observed the many coupling constant here, allylic coupling on the same side or opposite side, also cis trans coupling. So this kind of coupling means here sometime, so if you observe here, this coupling, the AC coupling, so this DC coupling here, CD coupling, sorry. This coupling is actually 3J coupling here, that is 3 bond coupling. So 3 bond coupling, here again the coupling between the D proton and B. This coupling is occurred through the bond, it is the 1, 2, 3. Again this is the 3 bond coupling. Sorry, this is the 4 bond coupling. So this is all about the complex multiplicity pattern in asymmetric molecules, means asymmetrical alkene.